In this video, I want to show you how you can share internet from mobile phone to laptop via hotspot. It could be laptop, it could be another device, okay, tablet or another phone, okay. So the same process, you can use it. Now, let's go to the settings. Currently, I am using a Samsung, okay. So if you're using Samsung, this might just be a simple process for you. Otherwise, you're using any Android phone, you should just go to the settings, tap on the settings. Now you see connections there, tap on the connections. Now look all the way down, you will see mobile hotspot and tethering, so I'll tap on that. Now you can see that the mobile hotspot is turned off. I can just turn that on, but I will tap on it so it opens. So I'm going to turn on the mobile hotspot. Down here, you will see turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, if you're using a Wi-Fi, you can turn that off. So I will tap on turn off. Okay, now you would see here, very important, network name. You need to put in a network name that you want, right? You put that in there. Password, decide a password that you want and enter it there. Okay, now the band automatically it picks that up, so you shouldn't worry about that. But when it comes to the network, you have to decide what network name you must put there, and the password name, you have to generate that yourself. Now, if you look downwards, you'll see configure, right? Down there, you will see connected devices, okay? Whatever device that is connected to your phone is going to show up here, all right? So this is all you need to do. Key in the network name, put in the password that you wish, and that is it. So now we have set up our mobile hotspot. Now let's go to the computer that we want to share the internet with. Okay, so right now you go to your computer or laptop, right? Now go down here to the status bar. You will find that icon. Click to show hidden icons. So here you would see the internet. You would notice that it's not connected, so I'll click on it. Now you would see other networks that your computer can see. All you need to do right now is to look for your mobile phone. Remember the name created for your mobile phone or the network name. So this is what you will look for at this point. So currently you'll see that my my mobile network is over there. So I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on that, it's going to say connect. Now this point is where if I click on connect, it will connect automatically. For my laptop, it's not going to require username or password, right? But for your one, if you haven't done this before, when you click on the connect, okay, it will require that you enter the username and password that you created earlier. Okay, so you need to know the network name, that your phone's network name, and the password. So at this point, I'm going to click on connect, and it's going to connect automatically because I had initially entered my password. So right now you can see it is now connected. My laptop is now connected to the internet. Okay. All right. I hope this video helped you. If it did, consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing. All right. Let me know what you would like to see next time in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.